to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about digital marketing. For small businesses, a page for blogs can be used to host ads. Even popular ones such as Tasty, there's a space for advertisements. These ads are an extra means of income for the business. Then search marketing. Earlier I talked about how search marketing involves SEO and sometimes PPC if you're willing to invest more money. Search marketing also involves content. However, content here is what's going on in your target demographics head. So if you shoot some high quality videos to strengthen the content of your written places, now what are they thinking? What problem are you trying to solve for them? What phrases will they likely type in to achieve their intention? For example, you have an online pastry shop. Pastries are not sold to appease hunger immediately. On the other hand, a fast food ordering system may be focused on responding to the internet of someone who's hungry or anticipates being hungry in the next few minutes. So as a pastry seller, you don't expect to deliver most of your goods within the day, unless you have some ready-made ones. Here's some thoughts on possibly churning in your target audience mind. Where can I order birthday cakes? How can I get some cream puffs to bring to the picnic later or tomorrow? Are there any cake sellers in my area with customizing themes and designs? How long does it take to prepare a birthday cake? The things that you have to know what your prospective customer is thinking. How do you solve the problems I just mentioned? You provide deliveries within the day, but with at least a 2-hour lead. You have an ordering system on your website, which sends an alert to your phone and your employee's phone. You also have an app that serves as a mobile ordering system. You have a range of prices that change with the cake size, flavors, number of layers, and whether your clients, if they need the cake in less time than you usually prepare. How will you and the client connect so that you can accommodate the response to their problems? Yes, through search marketing. The possible intention of the client and your potential solutions I just mentioned. So you need to put those into keywords and key phrases. What do you think they're going to type into the search engine box? Pastry same-day delivery, rush cake, birthday cakes, cake delivery in my area, cake same-day delivery, theme cakes, 1-week cake order. You could potentially think of more keywords and key phrases depending on what you can do for your clients. Make sure that the keywords and key phrases are accurate representations of your products and services. Then you have email marketing. Email marketing is another content-rich way to not only establish but also maintaining a relationship with your clients. With email marketing, you have a few types of content to prepare. Your welcome email. The welcome email should be the first email your client receives. It's sent when your clients have established a relationship through registering via one of your subscription forms. It should be short but warm. The welcome email should also display an unsubscribe link so that your client isn't forced into a relationship. And you have your purchase confirmation email. A purchase or transactional confirmation email is purely transactional. It should contain the transaction code, the price charged, and the name of the product ordered. Such an email will be a comfort to buyers. They'll know that their purchase was successful and that they have a record to prove it. Then you have your update and promos. You want to send updates and promos that will keep your relationship rolling with your clients. The subscribed client should be the first to know if there's any new discounts, promos, and other updates about your product and services. They should feel as if they're in the know. Then you have birthdays and anniversaries. Celebrate your clients' special days with them. Send them a card on their special day to make them feel relevant to your company, because they are. Then you have your blog sharing. Send emails of your blogs and articles. Show your clients that you're interested in keeping them informed. Content is undoubtedly crucial in making a connection. In any relationship, communication must be maintained to keep it healthy. Digital marketing is all about content. Ads, emails, SEO, website, content, etc. Videos, blogs, podcasts, emails, and the like all create a story about what your company is about. Let that story be compelling and engaging. So in conclusion, digital marketing is a vibrant topic. You can find massive information in textbooks on exploring the nooks and crannies of the topic. Online, you can find countless articles on it. What I try to accomplish here is putting together as much of the most vital subtopics as you can. Each of these subtopics can be further discussed. However, I'm confident that you have enough power. I kept it short that you have as much information as you can to run your business online and offline. I wish you good luck with your newest venture. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.